everyone, Narelle here, and welcome to my channel about paper crafting. Today I am doing the third layout in October's collection obsession. It's actually the very last day of October today, so I've got to do this one and then layout 4 ready for November. So I just spent the last 31 days doing the 30 days of sketches and then forgot that I still need to do these. So anyway, let's get on to it. So I'm using the Tapestry of Time collection from Uniquely Creative, and what I thought I would do today is just basically share the embellishments that I have to use and then just get started on creating the page. So this is the background paper I'm using, and it's called The Good Old Days, and it's got a map, and I believe this is in Western Australia. I think Coolgardie is in Western Australia, which suits this photo perfectly because this is my step grandfather who was a West Australian and he joined the army. So this is him in the army and he was a Raditcherabrook. So that's the page I'm doing today. The heading I have is the little laser cuts from Uniquely Creative, and I plan on colouring this with brown markers. Now I don't know which brown is going to work the best. I've got bronze and I've got soft suede, so I'm going to do a little test on the back to see which colour I like best, and so that's going to be the heading. I have 2 leftover strips from the album insert pages. They are 8 by 11, 8 by 10 I think. So these are offcuts from 2 other pieces that I've used, so I'm just going to use them on the page. And when I come to put the embellishments on, I have to make sure that I cover up this hole here because it has lost its little insert, little eye, its little middle. That's what I'm trying to say. The others I will put double-sided tape on the back so that they don't fall out, because then they're not really that noticeable. But this one has a hole, so I need to make sure I cover that up. The embellishments I have, I just picked a selection of things from the what are they called? The cuts, creative cuts packets. So I've got some poppies. This was from the cut apart sheet. It looks like an old page or a ledger or something or other, so I thought that would be cool. April 25th, because I know Anzac Day stemmed from World War I, but April 25th was actually my step-grandfather's birthday. So I thought, well, that's appropriate. I'm going to put that on the page. Then I have some others. I've already got them in clusters, sort of organised in what goes together or what I want to put together. So more poppies. This medal, which it's a star, the 1939 to 1945 star. So he fought in World War II. He was in the army. He's very brave. And then this looks like soldiers from the day doing a march along the street. So I'm sure he was probably involved in a ticker tape, whatever they call ticker tape parade at some stage. And then the third cluster I have is this beautiful poppies tag, the last post, King George medal, more poppies, and soldier, because that's what he was. Alright, so I'm not going to go away this time and then come back and put the page together. I'm just going to go straight into it. So I will probably fast forward you. And and the other thing I have is these scallops from one of the cut apart sheets. I'm going to hopefully put down the bottom of the photo just for something different. We'll see if I like it or not. Alright, so anyway, I'm probably now going to fast forward you as I just get this page happening. Enjoy! okay, there we go. There's the finished page. Quick and easy to put together. I had a lot of the embellishments already picked out, so it was just a matter of working out the clusters as I picked up like a cluster of embellishments I had already put together and thought, well, they look good, so then I sort of just arranged them on the fly, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. So that is layout 3 for Collection Obsession October, using the Tapestry of Time collection from Uniquely Creative. If you want to see the other videos that I have using this collection, I will link them below. If you've liked this video, give me the thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thanks for watching and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.